Good evening, everyone. I've started my holidays, so I arrived yesterday with Eva and Carter. Today, I ended up just hosing everything down. I managed to get the outdoor water hose plugged up, and I just hosed these things down. They were quite dirty. And I did the deck as well, thank goodness. So, it feels so good. I washed down the windows. So I got everything hosed down. I got this amazing hummingbird feeder, but they're still getting used to it. They'll come and look around and then take off. We've had some drink out of it, but not a lot. So I'm going to glue these things together because they keep falling apart and they scare the gajibers out of me. So we had dinner out here today. And now we're gonna go down. So anyway, cleaned all this up to here. This was caked with stuff, and this here. So tomorrow, I'd like to work on the garden over there by the septic tank to get it cleaned up and just get this area here done. My friend and her family are going to come up for a weekend of fishing and just beach play. So did quite a bit of things here today, but not a lot. Raked the sand. There was a lot of pine needles. I did contact the contractor and took some pictures, so he's going to come and look at these low spots. It's a little disappointing because yeah, even there, it's low. And here, you can see where the low spots are. And over there. So I am concerned that it's coming here and then going there. Because then it's washing out everything this way. So raked all of that. Also cleaned up some of the beach. So quite a lot of stuff there. Our massive spider is not there on the rocks. But I did... Oh, did you hear that? You want it? You have to do it louder, guys. So there's quite a bit of stuff there that I have to pull out. We've never done that area, but the rock is just caked with sand. So I'll work on this tomorrow and just separate the gunk from the sand. And then just rake some more. It's going to take a while to get it all cleaned. I like that there's just that mulched up, ground up stuff at the bottom. That tells me that I'm doing the right job. It's been a really nice day. We had waffles for breakfast, and we had an egg and bacon and roasted pepper on bagels. And yeah, it was pretty perfect today. Yeah, so we're gonna clean up and go inside. Maybe we'll sit on the deck for a little bit. You guys want some mint tea?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll get some tea and some coffee, and we'll sit on the deck for a while. Hopefully the loon will come and visit. These are the best eggs. I'm frying them in the bacon fat. They're delicious. And here is the egg sandwich with the bacon. Yummy. The kiddos are already eating theirs. It's a gorgeous day here at the lake. Take the toys from there, Eva, please, because they're in the way. You can bring them over here. Is it stuck? It's not as easy as it looks, right? Eva, if you want to play with the sand, you can play up there and it's dry too. But if you want to build castles, you'll have to do it here. Because Carter's cleaning out the beach. Eva, did you get water in your boot? Okay, you can take your boot off over there if you want to shake it off. It's hard, Carter, isn't it? Okay, so let's give it a rest because Mimi cleaned the sand over here. I'm going to rake these things here into a little pile so you guys can play there, okay? Monday evening at the lake. We had angel hair and shrimp for dinner with garlic bread. And we're gonna go down to the beach. I worked cleaning this up this afternoon. Carter helped me a little bit. So yeah, this took me over 2 hours to do, and I've got that to do. So I'll do it slowly, but there's a lot. I love this little moss, so I'd like it to spread out. So cleaned it up to here. When we do the little wall here, it'll encompass this and wrap around to where the rockery is. Maybe next year or in 2 years. So this is all. Elizabeth and I are going to work on the fence, try and repair it, and just clean up all of this goodness stuff down here. The kids have had a wonderful time feeding the chipmunks. And my little garden here needs more soil. So it's looking cute, but it needs more soil. And the petunias are doing okay over there. I thought they would do a lot better. They were a little scraggly. But then again, it could be because they were planted late. The mosquitoes are coming out, so we're not going to stay out long. So we planted the kids' geraniums today. We've got one there. We have another one there. I have to plant that poor black-eyed Susan. We spent quite a bit of time here today, right before lunch, and I cleaned up the beach a little bit more. You can see that the beach is a little cleaned, but it still has a lot to go. It would be nice if the water level went down, because it would be easier to clean it out. So I'll just do a little bit at a time. When the kids are in the water, it gives me time to just rake. I've got a pile over there that I've been sifting through so that I pick up the debris and leave the sand behind. Yeah. There's still a lot on this side. You can see that some of the sand has been cleared, but there's still quite a bit. We never cleaned this side here because there was an old dock which we had removed. It used to be red and white, and now it's gone. So when Elizabeth comes, we will move. We'll move the paddle boat, and I'll finish this wall and connect it to the rocks that are over there. And maybe 3-4 years down the road, we'll do the path here to the lighthouse. It's probably going to be all grown in. Goodness, I won't go in there on my own, and there's just not time. There's just not enough time to get all this stuff done. Carter wants to work on the boardwalk. Yeah, there's a lot to do. Okay, yeah, the mosquitoes are out big time. So guys, we're gonna have to think about going in. We have a little water baby over there. The mosquitoes are out in full force.